Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Samadhani. I'm a passionate bookbinder who fell in love with crafting books. My journey started from watching a late night video of bookbinding from Sea Lemon. I think it's a Coptic stitch binding book. So like many of you, I'm self-taught with most of my experience coming from books, YouTube and hands-on experiments. Every book I make is a piece of my journey, so I'm here to share that with you guys. I started this channel because I noticed that the art of binding is slowly fading away, and I wanted to do my part in preserving it for the future generation. There's something special about holding a physical book in your hands and flipping through the pages and feeling the weight of the story in your fingertips. It's nostalgic and it's comforting, and I know so many of you can relate to that feeling. I want to inspire you to appreciate the beauty of bookbinding and maybe even give it a try yourself. It's a craft that requires a lot of patience and attention to detail, so oftentimes I treat this as a sort of meditation. Also, I think my channel is a great way to support small businesses who specialize in handmade books. So if you're thinking about starting your own bookbinding business, I have some tips for you in here. First, invest in quality materials. The paper, the thread, the cover, and everything matters when it comes to creating a beautiful book. And second, again, practice makes perfect. So don't be afraid to make mistakes, because you are going to be making a lot of mistakes. But the good thing is you're going to learn from them and improve. And finally, don't be afraid to put yourself out there and share your passion with the world. So whether you're a book lover looking to try something new or an aspiring entrepreneur looking to start a small business, I hope my channel can inspire you to get creative with bookbinding. Let's keep this beautiful art form alive and thriving together. And thank you for stopping by, and hope you find something here that sparks your creativity. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and join me in this wonderful world of bookbinding.